everyone. Have you ever looked at successful entrepreneurs like Mark Zuckerberg or Jeff Bezos and wondered what makes them different? What special qualities do they possess that enables them to turn ideas into thriving businesses? Today, we'll uncover the traits that define the entrepreneurial mindset and how you can cultivate them. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the key traits and define successful entrepreneurs. Learn how to develop and nurture these traits in yourself. Discover real-world examples of these traits in action. Successful entrepreneurs share certain characteristics that set them apart. These traits help them navigate the challenges of starting and growing a business. Number 1 is vision and mission. Entrepreneurs have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are passionately committed to their goals. Steve Jobs envisioned a world where personal computers were accessible to everyone, driving him to create Apple and revolutionize technology. Vision and passion are like lighthouse, guiding a ship through stormy seas, providing direction and motivation despite obstacles. Howard Schultz's vision and passion for creating unique coffee experience transformed Starbucks from a single coffee bean store into a global brand. His dedication to his vision revolutionized the coffee industry and created a new market for specialty coffee. Resilience and perseverance. Entrepreneurs are resilient and can persevere through setbacks and failures. Thomas Edison faced numerous failures before successfully inventing the light bulb, famously saying, "I've not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that don't work." Resilience and perseverance are like a marathon runner's endurance, pushing through fatigue and obstacles to reach the final line. J.K. Rowling faced multiple rejections before Harry Potter was published. Her resilience paid off, leading to one of the most successful book series in history. Number 3 is adaptability and flexibility. Successful entrepreneurs can adapt to changing circumstances and pivot whenever necessary. When Instagram first launched, it was a location-based check-in app called Bourbon. The founders quickly adapted to user feedback and refocused on a photo sharing, leading to Instagram's massive success. Adaptability and flexibility are like a skilled surfer, adjusting to changing waves, staying balanced and moving forward. Airbnb's founders adapted their original concept multiple times, including renting out air mattresses in their apartment before finding the winning formula for their new iconic business model. Number 4 is risk-taking and decision-making. Entrepreneurs are willing to take calculated risks and make decisive decisions. Jeff Bezos took a significant risk leaving a stable job to start Amazon, which began as an online bookstore and grew into global e-commerce giant. Risk-taking and decision-making are like a chess player making bold moves to win the game, weighing potential risks and rewards. Richard Branson's decision to start Virgin Atlantic was a bold risk in a highly competitive airline industry, but his innovative approach led to success. Number 5 is creativity and innovation. Entrepreneurs are creative problem solvers who think outside the box and innovate. Nokia started as a paper mill in 1865 and adapted through various industries, including rubber and cables, before becoming a telecommunications giant. Despite setbacks in the smartphone market, Nokia's resilience and adaptability have kept the brand alive in the tech industry. Creativity and innovation are like an artist painting a masterpiece, using imagination and skill to create something unique and valuable. Walt Disney's creativity and innovation transformed a small innovation studio into the world's leading entertainment company, with iconic characters and theme parks. I want you to choose a successful entrepreneur and research their background, business ventures, and the traits that contributed to their success. Write a brief profile, about 300 to 500 words, of the entrepreneur, highlighting the key traits that made them successful. Reflect on which of these traits you possess and which ones you need to develop further. Provide specific examples and action plans for how you can cultivate these traits into your own life and career.